Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how you can record a video in Microsoft PowerPoint. This means that you can take a screen recording of your slideshow and put a voice over it and save it as an MP4 file to maybe upload to YouTube. So let's jump into it. I have a PowerPoint slideshow open on my taskbar here. This is a template for a business slideshow. It talks about the growth and goals of a business. Now, if you want to get started with recording your slideshow, you're going to have to go to the Record tab on the top toolbar. I'm going to click Record here, and here you can see the different options for recording. So I'm going to select from beginning. This allows you to record narrations, animations, transitions, ink and laser pointer gestures as mentioned over here. And once I click that, I'm taken into the recording user interface. Now here, there are a lot of different things that you can edit. You can go through your slides and prepare yourself before recording. The main buttons or tools here are at the top, which is the recording, restarting, pause, camera, microphone options. Currently my microphone is enabled. You can turn that off. You can also turn on a camera if you have one. To start recording, you want to click this red button. It gives you a countdown. And now we are recording. My voice is currently being recorded in this video. Now I have my introduction slide open, so I can start by saying, "Hello everyone, this is my business and this is an introduction to it." You can't actually go back slides during a recording, but you can only go forward. So I'm going to go to the next slide. Here I can talk about my agenda, talk about what it is that I will be presenting in the video. This is the introduction to my business. And here we have our primary goals, and here we have our quarterly performance. Now let's say I want to mark up this slide. You have all of these tools at the bottom of your screen to help you with that. First of all, over here you have a laser pointer. Once this is enabled, you will see a red dot that allows your viewers to clearly see your cursor on the slideshow. You also have your eraser here, a pen and a highlighter. I'm going to select the pen. Now that the pen is selected, the default color is red. I want it to be red, so now I'm going to go on to the slideshow and I can start editing. So let's say I want to mark up this slideshow. I can say that the Series 1 performance was very high in the fourth quarter. Now I can change the color, select blue. I can say the Series 2 performance was highest in the second quarter, and the Series 3 performance was highest also in the fourth quarter. All of these markups are being recorded in the recording that we have created, or we are creating, in PowerPoint. Now I'm going to move on to the next slide. Let's take a look at some of the other options available here. Here you can select your camera mode, but since I don't have a camera, this option is not available for me. After that, we have the views. We can click here to select the view that we want. There are three different types of views. The first one is the teleprompter. This shows you your notes above your slideshow, and this way you can see what you need to talk about. And it gives you instructions here as to how to use the teleprompter, pressing Ctrl up or down arrow key to scroll through the teleprompter. Now let's look at the other views. The presenter view shows your slide and your next slide on the right. The current slide is of course the biggest. It shows you your next slide, so you can prepare and form a smooth transition from your current slide to the next slide. It also shows your notes here on the right hand side, which you can edit in the presentation, not over here. Now we can take a look at the slide view. The slide view shows you only your slide. This is the view that I was originally in. Here you can see only your slide and you can edit your slide using all of these tools. Now let me go through the rest of the slideshow. This is our team. This is what we are planning for our product launch. This is our timeline, our areas of focus, how we're planning to get there, and this is the summary. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Okay, so now that we have completed our presentation, we can hit the stop recording button. That shows you that our recording is 4 minutes and 3 seconds long. Now, the rightmost button over here says export. By clicking this button, it takes you to your export screen. Here, you can put in your title. I'm going to call this demonstration video. And you can browse and select where you want to save your file. I'm going to save my file to my desktop. And once I click export, it exports the video. Now this process can take some time, so you can exit this view and go do something else while your video is exporting. Once your video has successfully exported, you will see this screen. There is also a button saying view and share video. However, I'm just going to exit this and head to my desktop where I can now see the video that I have created. And now we are recording. My voice is currently being recorded in this clearly. Now show. As you can see, the recording was successful. So that is how you can create a video from a PowerPoint slideshow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.